We've made improvements now of our hole wizard process as well as our drag and drop hole wizard process. What we've done is as following. When choosing a hole wizard process, we now go directly to choosing the actual hole you want. You do not have to decide first what type of hole you want. When clicking on the hole, we automatically now recognize what type of hole that is and add that to the list. At that point, all you have to do is click on OK and everything is calculated. You do not have to first decide what is the actual hole. We already recognize it. Now the same is with the drag and drop. All you have now is just one icon, drag to hole. When you drag it to any of the holes, we will automatically recognize that hole type and again create the operations for that hole type.